Listen to me. You don't have to have what they have in order for you to feel good about yourself. Hindi mo kailangan makuha ang meron sila para gumaang at maging confident ka sa sarili mo, mga kapatid, because you have to stay on your lane. If you want to be happy, stay in your lane. If you want to be happy, stay focused on what God has for you. Why? They have something that you don't have, but you have something that they don't have. That's the reality of it. Naiinggit ka sa kanila kasi wala ka nun, pero naiinggit din sila sa'yo kasi meron ka na wala sila. Nag-iinggitan lang tayo. Naiinggit ka sa bahay nila, hindi mo alam yung nangyayari sa loob ng bahay nila. Naiinggit tayo dahil mansyon ang bahay nila, pero hindi natin alam na posible nag-aaway yung mag-asawa sa loob. And you have a good relationship, you don't have a good house, but you have a great home. And sometimes we are envy at their house, and we forget and ungrateful about our home. Wala ka mang iPhone 11, wala ka mang Note 9, may pagkain ka sa iyong table, may blessing ka sa iyong buhay. Watch me, you have blessings in your life, may pagpapala ang Diyos sa buhay mo, and you have to recognize what you have. Kung anong meron ka, kailangan mo ma-appreciate.